Okay, well, I got my 705 finally. That's it. I got it running off the Bioenno right now. And got my Pi set up. Not using it, but figured I would show it in the video. And then if you look down here, hey, there's my FPV drone. I was flying that a little bit earlier. But yeah, I got the KM4ACK EFHW half-wave antenna set up, and there's my friendly radio assistant. And then I also picked up the LDG tuner here for the 705. Not using it currently. But to come out here, there's my Wolf River coil. I got the big old whip on it. But it's not hooked up right now. I'm actually about to pack it up. There's my MFJ mast. And if you look very carefully on it, you can see the wire for my antenna, which is the KM4ACK EFHW half-wave. So we'll go ahead and walk over to where it's tied off. And it really is an amazing antenna, especially for the price. I mean, it was like, what, 35 bucks for the kit? And it works great. It works better than my Chameleon MCOM3. Yeah. And there's the toroid, the capacitor and everything. Yeah, put it together myself. Of course, there's my coax. There's my MCOM3, which I got wrapped up. Or I took it down because I was using it, but it wasn't working that well. Oh, gotta spin the camera. That's one thing with this gyro, is it doesn't move the fastest, but yeah, it's all the way up to the top of the mast up there. So yeah, that's the KM4ACK EFHW half-wave. And yeah, I'll be right back and I'll show you what the SWR readings look like. Okay, here we go for the 20 meter band. It's pretty much flat all the way across the band. Okay, go to 7 or 40 meters. Pretty much flat all the way across the band. Go to 80. It's gonna be bad on 80. Oof. Yeah, it doesn't quite do 80. But it wasn't meant to do that. Let's see, we'll do that. Yeah, it could be better there. One. Pretty much flat there. 24. Could be better. 10 meters. Pretty much flat. I mean, pretty much 1.0 to 1 on 10. Here's something I find hilarious. Okay, let's see. It's resonant on 70 centimeters. Not so much on 2 meters, but not bad on 6 either. So yeah, all in all, pretty good. So would I recommend the KM4ACK EFHW half wave? Yeah. I mean, for the price, it can't be beat. It was kind of a pain to put together if you're not into soldering or whatever. I had only done one other project before, which was the Morcerino 32, which I was able to get together, and it worked really well. And the KM4ACK, it's not too bad soldering. Had to do a little bit of cutting on the wire to get it to work right, but once I got it set up, it works really well. And I did a pass on Whisper earlier. I'll see if I can get the readings from that, and I will include that as a screenshot in this video. But it got out pretty good. I made it into Europe and everything on Whisper. I did okay on JS8 call as well as FT8 as well. I made a few contacts there. And I made a few contacts on single sideband, and this is with the 705 running 10 watts. And it does amazingly well. I'm definitely happy with it so far, and it's very compact and portable. So I'll be able to, be very, very mobile with it, which is kind of the whole idea. The plan with the 705 and the KM4ACK EFHW half wave is to be able to load everything in a backpack and hop on my e-bike when I'm out on the road and do POTA activations and whatnot. So that's the goal. We'll see how it works out. I'll be sure to keep everyone updated as to what my progress is with all of that. So I'm definitely thrilled with it, and it's working out pretty well. So I'll post some more updates in a bit. 7.3s for now. This is WE5 MAG, the trucking game. Stay safe.